Welcome to Lusso Design India, one of the world's largest multinational leaders in vehicle transformation. A world-class facility engineered for scale, precision, and perfection, where every department moves with the harmony of a flawlessly tuned machine. Every transformation begins the moment a vehicle arrives. Fully insured end-to-end, each car is unloaded with absolute precision and undergoes an immediate visual inspection. A detailed wash removes every trace of dust and contaminants. This purified surface becomes the foundation upon which perfection is crafted. What follows is the most exacting stage, the inventory assessment. Every dent, every scratch, every switch, seat, mirror, and electrical function is inspected, recorded, and documented. This creates complete transparency and traceability, the Lusso standard. The vehicle then enters disassembly. Interiors, panels, electrical modules, each component is removed with care and stored through a structured, organized system. The machine is stripped to its core, preparing for rebirth. Exterior painting at Lusso is an art layered with engineering. Sanding, priming, and painting with advanced waterborne technology that reduces environmental impact. Every coat, every pass is examined to achieve an immaculate finish. Interior components receive equal reverence. Trims are prepared, primed, painted, and polished, creating a seamless flow of luxury inside the cabin. Hydro dipping introduces bespoke character, carbon fiber, wood grain, or exclusive custom patterns, each adding a unique design identity to the vehicle. In the upholstery division, craftsmanship truly comes alive. CNC cutting, precision perforation, hand-stitched mastery, and premium materials such as microfiber and Napa leather form the heart of our interiors. Even stitching threads for airbag zones undergo strict inspection to meet global safety standards. Lusso is also a pioneer in skylight conversions. From structural cutting to Alcantara finishing, every skylight is integrated with OEM-grade engineering, elevating cabin ambiance to a realm of true luxury. With all components perfected, the assembly begins. Our systematic 5-step installation protocol ensures flawless integration of interior, exterior, and electrical elements. Smart repair teams then refine the minute details, micro touch-ups, edge corrections, because luxury leaves no room for imperfection. A final polish gifts the vehicle its mirror-like brilliance. Then comes Lusso's uncompromising quality control, a series of rigorous tests only the finest vehicles can pass. Those that succeed earn the prestigious Lusso certification. Inside our in-house studio, every transformed car is captured and documented, immortalizing its journey from machine to masterpiece. This is where ordinary vehicles become luxury icons, where imagination becomes design, and design becomes luxury. Lusso, one of the world's largest global powerhouse in mobility solutions, where luxury is crafted, not purchased.